Hey, how's it going? Miguel Martinez Juarez here. Um, it's around maybe 4 o'clock, about 3 o'clock here in Southern California. And today, one of my goals was to create this video on faith. Um, it's always my goal to share a video every day. It doesn't take long, right, to create. And I know this video is going to help someone, okay? And that's why I do them. That's why I do them, right? So there's a quote in this book, The Power of Awareness by Neville Goddard, that talks about faith. And in this chapter, it talks about faith, okay? And the reason I want to share this term is because it is essential for you to accomplish what you want in life, okay? Not many people have no limits to what their abilities or potential are. Not many people, okay? Or else you wouldn't see them say but or only if and things like that, right? But with faith, you can have anything, okay? Anything. You must see yourself as being able to have anything. Why? Because you have an understanding of the mind, the law of attraction, and how things are created, right? So once you have that understanding, you have faith. You know whatever you're holding in here, you're going to hold right here. But that's why you have to have the belief, the faith. Remember, 3 steps, 3 essential steps that you have in the Bible and in The Secret that most of you probably already saw, The Secret, or read. Ask, believe, receive. Believe is that part of the faith, knowing that it's already yours. And you have faith. Okay, and here's the quote that I want to share. Faith is a substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Hebrews 11, verse 1. I'm going to repeat it again. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Faith is something. It's not just an idea, it's a feeling, it's a power, it's expectation for things not seen, meaning they're not made visible yet to others. However, you have already seen it and you know it's going to come. You know it, right? So this should fill you with joy. It should fill with the feelings of having that which you already desire. Ooh, and it feels good. I'm feeling it right now. Well, my goal, right? My goal, I'm feeling it, right? And in my goal, I'm dressed like this in a jacket, right? So you want to dress the way you are. You're going to dress when you're in that position of your wish fulfilled, right? Start doing it now. Start taking the actions now. So this is very good for people who want to lose weight, all right, or get fit. You got to focus on the image, okay? You got to focus on being fit, okay? Do not focus on losing the weight. That's what's going to happen, but you got to focus on the image. So some of my clients, I tell them, do this. Buy the clothes you're going to wear, right? Buy 2 sizes smaller because you're going to fit into them, okay? So here's an explanation of faith and how it's essential for your creation, right? Your vision. If there were not a deep-seated awareness that which you hoped for had substance and was possible of attainment, it would be impossible to assume the consciousness of being or having it. Yeah. It is the fact that creation is finished and everything exists that stirs you to hope. And hope, in turn, implies expectation. And without expectation of success, it would be impossible to use consciously the law of assumption. Evidence is a sign of actuality. Evidence, right? Faith is a sign of actuality, right? Because if we look at the Hebrews quote, it says, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. So faith is the evidence. You're faithful, you're confident, it's coming. You got it. Thus, the quotation means that faith is the awareness of the reality of that which you assume. Okay? A conviction of the reality of things which you do not see. The mental perception of reality of the invisible. A conviction of the reality of things which you do not see. The mental perception of the reality of the invisible. Yeah. The mental perception of the reality of the invisible. Okay. So I had to read that verbatim. Okay. So, whatever you see and feel is already done. Okay, because in the invisible, okay, in divine mind, everything is complete already. It's only up to us to create it. And this is something I was thinking about. What is our purpose here in life? And our purpose here to create. Once we're done with this life, how are we going to reflect on this? Are we going to say, oh yeah, we did that one thing? No, I don't think so. I think we're going to be like, oh, I created this, they created that, 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 right? And you want to create good, because you can create predicaments and you can create others feeling bad and things like that, right? Which always brings it back to you. But this comes from an understanding, right? A spiritual understanding that all is created and the only reality is your awareness. Hence the book, The Power of Your Awareness. The Power of Awareness. The Power of Awareness. Okay? And the power of awareness is what's actually creating. Okay? Creating. So nothing's good and bad. Your awareness just sees it. Alright? In the mind. And as that goes down into your subconscious mind, it is created in the outside world. It is made manifest. Okay? But you must have faith in it, believe in it, expect in it. And that's essential for the law of assumption. Okay? Because you assume that everything is here already, because it is in the spiritual. So you assume the feelings of the wish fulfilled. Or assume the wish fulfilled. Because it is. And as you stay in that feeling frequently, it's all going to come forth. You're going to start taking the actions, start taking the steps, okay? Or it's just going to manifest right away. It happens like that sometimes, okay? So just stay in the feelings, have faith, okay? Faith is the evidence of that wish fulfilled. That wish is done. It is done. And it's only coming now into fruition, to the physical form. Okay, so be grateful for it. Feel the feelings of it. Expect it. Before you know it, it's gonna be staring at you. Okay, or whatever it is, right? Because maybe if it's money, maybe if it's a thing, an object, a car, you can't stare at it. But yeah, a person can. Your company can. Okay. I hope you like this one. This one's about 8 minutes, a little over 8 minutes, okay? So I hope you like this one. And if you need more resources, check the links below. If you want to learn more about yourself, my book, Self-Confidence, is going to teach you about the mind, okay? It's going to teach you how all this stuff is done, okay? More on a scientific and spiritual level, okay? So hope you like this one, and thank you. Until next time. Bye.